Hi guys, this is Momshi Joy for a ref raid challenge. Let's see what's inside our fridge. This is what's inside your fridge challenge, Momshies. What's inside your fridge daw pero outside to. So kung napakita sa inyo yung mga bills namin na unpaid. Sa fridge lahat nilalagay. Binubuhat lahat yan ng refrigerator. And pati yung nasa ibabaw niya. By the way, we have coffee drip here from Bean and Brew, of course. Okay, now what's inside our fridge? Tcharan! Maraming itlog to survive the pandemic. Para pag wala ka ng makain, marami pa rin naman talagang itlog dyan. And this one, kalabasa chips. This is very healthy. Kesa kung ano-anong mga chichiryak yung kainin nyo, yan na lang. And, kung anik-anik, this one from Bet. Tsaa. Charan! Mga medicines. Some veggies and some fruits. Kamatis. And fresh milk. And ito. Honey. This is honey. This is honey for my honey. And chili garlic sauce. Suka. Ito, half na lemon. Na dry na actually. Butter and Skippy. Yung Skippy nilalagay namin sa fridge kasi gusto ni Sak na malamig yung peanut butter niya. Tapos ito, tirang ulam. And yung mga pangkikay ni Jillian. Ayan siya. Nilalagay din niya rito. Ewan ko kung ba't niya nilalagay. Baka pwede rin kasing kainin yan. And juice. Margarine. Soju. Ayan, juice. And, ano tong soft drinks na to? Soft drinks, root beer. And, inside here, tcharan! Wala kaming ulam. Walang laman. Wala kaming ulam. And what's inside the freezer? Charan! Ice cream! Patties! Some patties. And what's inside here? May hipon. Malaking hipon. Now, so, yan yung laman ng fridge namin. I challenge you, Momshies. What's inside your fridge? Bye! What's inside your fridge, Momshies?